Alright, eBay and Temu's fighting again. Let's see who wins. Okay, a brown bag from Temu. Oh, well, let's open this first and see what we can see. Oh, okay, so this is the, okay, first off, I ordered this November the 17th, which was this past Sunday in the afternoon from Temu. Today is Tuesday the 19th in the afternoon. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Took 3 days to get here from Temu. You do the math, I don't know. So, another dummy battery. And some Smarty Alex stuff. So, what we got here is, I hope you've seen the whole thing about the V battery setup, and that is the wrong one. That's got to be, that can't be the right one. They sent the wrong setup. This was supposed to be a FW90. No, FW50. So anyway, they'll fix it. I don't know what they're going to do to fix it, but they'll fix it. But it only took 3 days to get here. So we'll have to figure this out. But this is basically a NP-F970 battery adapter that I would use like out and about with the Sony camera, so that the it'll maintain its charge or last longer than the normal FW50 battery, and which is what this is supposed to be, a dummy FW50 battery, but that is not. That is a, I don't know what one that is, but that will not fit a camera. See, it's huge. That may be the F100 that the new newer Sony cameras go to, but that's no good for this right here, because these cameras take the F50. So anyway, I'll have to contact Temu. I have no doubt that they'll take care of it. They've always taken care of any issues. Matter of fact, I'd had a battery and charger for the 970s come in, and they called me just a little while ago to say that they were out, and asked me to cancel the order, and you just reorder whenever they got some more in stock. So a bummer, but this whole setup is something that'll be later on. But what I'll do is take and mount this to possibly, you know, to the side of the camera, you know, in a setup like this right here. And when I get the right dummy battery adapter, would go in here, and then the FW or the F970 batteries would go out here, and this would be my out and about rig, you know, to go out somewhere, set up on a tripod and be able to film and not have to worry about the battery dying or having to swap batteries out, which, you know, I've got several batteries, which is fine, but this right here will be like a good help. And it's always good, especially in the south where it tends to be hot even in the wintertime, to use a dummy battery setup, because the dummy battery actually will allow the camera to stay cooler. Let's see what else we got. Anyway, so here's the next bag. Let's see what we got. I think there's multiple items in here, and there is, so let's grab, that is some more lens adapter, no, not adapters, covers. Yeah, so I've used up a lot of these with some of the lenses that I got off of eBay. And this right here would go into the camera, and this right here would go on the back of the lens. So it's always good to have extras of these. And I may have gotten more. Let's just see. Yeah. So here's another one. It's just more of the same. No biggie dilly. Or maybe not. Oh, yeah. See, so this is a different camera style. I think I got this for one of the other lenses. Maybe. Yeah. So that fits that kind of lens, and maybe I got some others. I don't know if this is yet a different lens, or if this is no. I don't know if this is a E-mount lens base or not. So, but that's what it was. I had gotten several different ones because I needed other covers for lenses. Oh, another storage thing. Airtight, or watertight actually. I think they showed storing matches in these. So that's like in the camping section or something like that. Oh, yeah, okay. So I had gotten some of the bigger a bigger scalpel. Bigger scalpel. Because if you see, you can kind of see the difference. The number 4, number 3, I don't know what that means, but you can see the little piece right in here is different size. Because I have bigger scalpels, like 23s. I think the size is 23. And this size is like 11. Yeah, see right there, you can see 11. And so I had a bunch of 23 blades and very few 11 blades. So I got some more 11 blades, and then I got a scalpel that took 23 blades. If I don't cut my finger open with it, just about cut it just now. Wow. Don't seem to hold very well. I think what I need to do is to kind of make that edge there more 90 degree, because it clips in, but it wants to try to ride back up. But anyway, so okay. So I think this is memory storage. It's a after sales warranty card. Thank you. A warranty? Wow. So this right here is a storage card holder. So I can put let's just see, like, and I've got that. We'll talk about that just for a second. Anyway, I've got a bunch more, but I'm not digging them all out. This right here, 4 gigabyte, and I think this is like some kind of little small USB hard drive. For all I know, there's a hard drive in here, or maybe it's memory. I've had this probably 15 or maybe 20 years. I don't know. Probably since the early 2000s to mid 2000s is when I got this at a office supply store. Let's just put it that way. And at the time, you know, right here, a 4 gigabyte memory stick. See, memory stick was massive. IO Magic, and I think that thing was like $100 and something bucks way back when, and that was just massive for the time. But I've kept it all these years because 4 gigabyte is still useful. But it will get warm using it, and it's just so big and just honking, kind of like you know, cell phones used to be. About that big. So anyway, kind of cool. But I can put you know, regular memory sticks in here, which I have a bunch of them, and I need a good place to kind of categorize them and get them all together in one place. And you can put SD cards, and it's big enough to actually put old compact flash cards in there, the big wide ones. So and there's another flash memory card, a 16 gigabyte. So here's how about that for comparison: 16 gigabytes versus 15 years ago 4 gigabytes. How about that? So that's what I got there. So I appreciate you guys spending your time with me. I appreciate you being here. Your time is special to me as well as it is to you. And I hope to see you here again. We can spend more time together, do something, learn something. Comment, like, and subscribe. Like I said, today is November 19th, 2024. So when you see this, it might be next year. I don't know. So it'll give you an idea of how far ahead stuff is kind of cached in the queue. So anyway, I appreciate you. I thank you for spending your time here with me, and God bless.